Greetings everyone. Hi everyone. Sanborn. Another video of exposing myself. Another video of letting you know what I have done. Another video of letting you know who I am. So I have made a lot of videos about I've sold my marriage. So it wasn't only for one day, it was for many days. I repeated in several times. So I would share many things that I've done. So I didn't do it only for one day. So some other videos of selling my marriage will talk about the other incident, and other videos about other different incident that I did in selling my marriage. So this video is based also on the verse, on what Paul said about us wives, that we should inquire from our husband. If you want to know something, we should inquire from our husband. So I'll read the verse for you. The verse is found in 1 Corinthians 14 verse 35 in an NIV version, and it reads, if they want to inquire about something, they should ask their own husband, for it is disgraceful for a woman to speak in church. So I sold my marriage long time ago. So life is spiritual. So at that time, on that day, when I said what I said, it happened spiritually, and then it manifested physical. So the damage was done on that very same day. Just that I'm an ignorant person, so I didn't realize that what I have said, it's gonna destroy me. It's gonna destroy my listening skills. It's gonna destroy my marriage. So on that day, if you realize on my videos, I said for now, the people that I was going to sell my marriage, they will remain anonymously. Some I would reveal, but as for now, I won't reveal them for now. So these people, I trusted them. Whatever they said, I trusted them. Whatever they mentioned that it's wrong what we are doing, I would listen to them without hesitating, without asking, without even asking why it is wrong, without going deep. So I used to leave my house, and my husband will insist that where I am going, we should go together, and I will refuse, because at the beginning, these people, they would come and visit, and so this other day they visited, and they said, what we have done is wrong. So from that point, from that statement that was said, that whatever we do, what we have done is wrong, that statement made me feel like I want to be right. So like anybody, you don't want to be wrong, but then in fixing it, that's where my problem is or was. So I used to leave the house and then go and talk about my husband, thinking it's bad what he's doing, because these people, they have said it's bad. But only to realize after so many years, because I started exposing myself late last year, and when I exposed myself, I realized other things. There was nothing wrong. It's just that because I am ignorant, I didn't even realize that these people that are saying we are doing wrong, they have an enmity with my husband. So what happens is my husband is gifted, like any other person is gifted. So if we have not realized what our gift is or what our gifts are, we end up being jealous or envying the person who has found their gift. So what happened is these people, they envied my husband. So I didn't realize that because of my ignorance of whatever things they would say, I'll just think that no, the people, because they are older than us, so they know the way. So that's what I used to tell myself, that they know their ways. Since they're older than us, they know their ways. But now when God blesses you in your mother's womb, it's only him who blessed you. So he knows how you must give out the gift that he has given you, how to use the gift he has given to you. So what I did was, in disguise, I damaged my marriage. In disguise, on that day, I destroyed my marriage. So what I say to these people is, during my visitation to them, I said, my husband teaches me most of the things. And in disguise, I didn't know that I damaged it. I'm damaging and I'm destroying my marriage. So the facial expression that she looked me with, I could see, but because of my ignorance, I just saying the point that I said is good. And in saying that, deep down in my heart, I was saying, at least now, with other women, she will work a lot. But with me, she won't work much. This is what I was saying in deep down in my heart. You see, the problem is saying good things at the wrong place, saying good things at the wrong people. So that's my problem. I didn't see that there's an enmity between them and my husband. So the problem is I always judge people according to their looks. When I see you carrying a Bible and you are cool, and then I'll judge you to be the person who's going with God all the time, who listens to God all the time. So that's where I missed the point. That's where I've missed the point. Since from that day, I'm struggling, and till today, even today, I'm struggling to listen to my husband. The destruction that was done was the spirits. I would like to believe the spirits had me when I was praising my husband, that he teaches me. The spirit had me. So the devil uses anyone who is around. The devil uses anyone who is there. So I would like to say, at that moment, the devil used me to be against myself, and the devil used these people to be against them even more, because at that time the things that they said after, and at that time, from that time when my husband said we should have our own business, we had our own business. But before we had our own business, he gave us or let me say, he gave me 11 tips on how to operate the business. So what I did, I didn't listen to those. I didn't apply all the 11 tips. And inside all those 11 tips were the ways on how to operate the business, on how to, when I find myself in an obstacle or in a difficult time, and apply those 11 tips. I remember there was a time, I once shared this on my previous videos, there was a time when a girl came and complained about our stock, or about our product, our food. And then the tip was there to apply to that girl on what to do if the customer complains like this. I didn't apply it because I already damaged myself on the day when I visited these people and told them that my husband teaches me with most of the things. And from that very day, it's been difficult to listen to whatever he says. And the other thing, because these people envied my husband, I also started envying him, because these people envied my husband. I will share on my next video how I envied on my husband every time when he talks with me. Thank you.